Hi guys, now I'm gonna guide you how to practice speaking topic number 7. Shh, baby. Talk about your favorite season. Talk about your favorite season. Season. Now listen and repeat after me. Talking a little bit about myself. Talking a little bit about myself. My most favorite season. My most favorite season. Scorching, scorching. Tastes so good, tastes so good, tastes so good. Travel to many places, travel to many places. Places, travel to many places. For these reasons, for these reasons. Now, move on the main content. Hello everybody. I'll start by talking a little bit about myself. I'll start by talking a little bit about myself. My name is Nam. I am 9 years old. I live in Vichy City with my family. Now, I would like to talk about my most favorite season. I think summer is the best season. In summer, it is usually hot. Sometimes it is scorching. However, I like summer because it is sunny. When it is hot, I go swimming with my friends in the swimming pool. I also enjoy eating ice creams in summer. They taste so good. Best of all, best of all, best of all. I don't go to school in summer. I often travel to many places with my family in summer. For these reasons, summer is my favorite season. Okay. Bye bye guys.